Oh, you're gonna dump the rocks?
Right here.
Okay, in the rock pile, yeah. That works. You gotta drive over by the rocks and dump them.
Right there.
Yeah. Yep, not on the street. Let's dump them in the rocks. Oh, you're gonna back up? Wow, you're so professional. Okay.
Okay. Let's go back in my bag.
Okay.
And go back.
Okay. Ready? You gonna dump it? Ready? Oh, wow, that was great.
Now put up.
Okay. Oh, good job.
Now.
You really like your John Deere, huh? You love this guy.
Yeah.
It's your favorite car.
Mm-hmm.
Everything okay? Okay, let's drive.